Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 11 Pro and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then we have to scroll down just a little bit, if you're on the top of course, in order to find always on display and the lock screen. As you can see in the lock screen settings, on the very first position we've got the sleep option, so let's tap, and here we've got of course options from which we can choose, so we can set quite short options, just like the 15 or 30 seconds, or longer ones, so 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Currently we've got the 1 minute option applied, as you can see this option is marked, so basically all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use, and I will pick 5 minutes, just tap on it, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Redmi Note 11 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.